In this video, I will demonstrate an extremely precise scalping strategy that can help you leverage profitable trade opportunities. This indicator will enable you to pinpoint entry points and make informed decisions on when to enter a position. Before mentioning the strategy, want to say that it is one of the easiest we have in the channel. It only uses two indicators with two entry conditions. That makes it one of the simplest strategies for beginner, intermediate, and advanced traders. Remember that at the end of the video, we are going to show you the result of our backtest of this strategy, so you better watch this from start to end. By the way, if you wish to join my community, you can find the link to my Telegram group in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as it helps us create more content like this for free. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's get started. Let's go to the chart. Make sure that we are currently on the low time frame, preferably in the 1 minute. Now let's add the needed indicators. First, we will add the 5 MSM Vishnu to the chart. To do this, go to the Indicator Search tab and search for the 5 MSM Vishnu indicator. Select the indicator created by Patrick 199415 and add it to the chart. After that, let's add the next indicator. Search for Daily Wickedness DHA Beta. Choose the indicator created by Tradeiq. Close the indicator after adding the indicator, because that's all we're going to need for this strategy. Now go to the BYBIT indicator settings. First, go to the Inputs tab. Scroll down until the lowest item. Second to the last item is the key vol. Change that from 3 to 2. Go to the Style tab. From here you need to follow every item that I disable. Once all has been disabled correctly, you can now close the Indicator Settings tab. Next, go to the Daily Wickedness indicator settings. Under the Inputs tab, change the recent value from 6 to 7. Change the fast p-value from 7 to 6. Change the slow p-value from 21 to 22. Close the indicator setting, because that's all we need to modify. Entry conditions. Now that the indicators are on the chart, let's review the trading conditions before entering a position. First, we will need to see a BOD signal forming under a green candle. This indicates that we are bullish. Second, we will need to take a look at the Daily Wickedness indicator. We will need to make sure that it is in green color. This indicates that the market is in an uptrend. That's the only conditions we need to meet. Entry and exit signal. Since all of the conditions have been met, we will enter into a buy position. We will be putting the stop loss at the recent swing low. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk-to-reward ratio. Now let's take a look at how the trade will play out. It's a winner. For taking a short position, we need to satisfy these conditions. First, we will need to see an SR signal forming above a red candle. This indicates that we are in a bearish market. Second, we will need to take a look at the Daily Wickedness indicator. We will need to make sure that it is in red color. This indicates that the market is in a downtrend. That's the only conditions we need to meet. Once all the conditions have been met, we will enter a short position. We will be putting the stop loss at the recent swing high. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk-to-reward ratio. Now let's take a look at how the trade will play out. As you can see, it is a success. Backtesting. I hope you understand the rules of this strategy. Now, let's find out its win rate. I backtested this strategy 100 times. Now, here are the results. I've tried the strategy on Bitcoin using a 1-minute time frame. The total trade range reached 22 hours with an 80% win rate. If you have $1,000 as capital in your portfolio, and use $50 per trade with 20 times leverage, you will end up having a 9.45% increase on your portfolio size, which will total $1,094.5 in final account size. Now that's the end of the strategy. I hope you learn more in this video.